Hi, and thank you for coming. Hi, and thank you for coming to watch my video. I had a lot of people ask me to do a tutorial on this, so here today I'm going to show you how to lettuce. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is take your lettuce out of its package. You're gonna have like some brown dirty parts. It's quite gross. If you have your lettuce with you in front of you, which you should, then you know what I'm talking about. It's like these little, peel those off. We want to take all the dirty little lettuce pieces off. Okay, we're gonna peel them back. The beginning is the hardest part, okay, because what a lot of people tend to do is they either don't take off enough layers from the lettuce, or they take off way too much and they miss the tender part of the lead eye. So just keep getting all of those gross parts off until you get to like the crispy, the good part of your lettuce. See, this is gross. Okay, so now that you have the good part of the lettuce, you took off just enough, you didn't take off too much. Okay, you want to put your lettuce down. You're going to get a paper towel. Get one strip. Okay, so now that you have all of your lettuce ready and in small pieces, you want to turn the water on. Make sure the water is cold because you don't want warm lettuce. Hold on to the lettuce really tight so that you don't drop any in the sink. Get all the lettuce nice and moist so all the dirt will come off and you'll have clean lettuce. Okay, so now that your lettuce is cleaned off and you have all the dirt and residue off the surface of your lettuce, take the lettuce, boop, put it right there on your paper towel layer, okay? Now, get another sheet of paper towel, okay? You're gonna lay that over the lettuce that you just put on the other paper towel. Paper towel and then the lettuce and then another layer of paper towel. It's kind of like a lettuce sandwich. Pick it up, okay? You're gonna go over to the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 8.5 minutes. Okay, so you have it in for 8.5 minutes, and I'm just gonna fast forward through this part until it's ready, because no one wants to see me microwave lettuce for 8.5 minutes. All right, so fast forward. Okay. Spicy. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is get a strainer. We're gonna need a strainer. Take your lettuce that's still between the paper towel sheets and put that down into your strainer, okay? Make sure that the lettuce is nice and secure, okay? We don't want to fumble any of these little lettuce. Okay, it should look something like this. If it doesn't look like this, you did something wrong and you need to start the video over. Okay, now that we have the lettuce in the strainer, we're gonna run cold water over it again. You wanna do this for just about 30 seconds, okay? Make sure that you get the next thing that you want to do is get a plate. Take the lettuce out of the strainer. It's still a little bit wet. That's okay. It's no big deal. You may wanna like wring it out. Yeah, okay, there's a lot of water in there. Now we need to get it out of the paper towel. Okay guys, so the hard part's over. We have the lettuce. I mean, it's clean, it's ready to eat, so now you can do whatever you want with it. I mean, if you wanted to maybe toss a salad or make some lettuce water. Actually, I think that's what I'm going to do with my lettuce here today, is I'm going to make some lettuce water. We're gonna put the lettuce in first and then fill it with water. It's because we're not savages. It's the same way as if you were eating cereal. You put the cereal in first. Okay, so just take your little Crispies Now your lettuce is in the cup and you just want to fill that up with water. The great thing about lettuce water is that actually it detoxes your skin and it provides a lot of other health benefits. It's really good for you. Thanks for watching, and as always with my tutorials, we will end it in dance.
Tell me, baby, was it everything you needed?